Ally Invest Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're looking for a comprehensive online brokerage that combines low fees with a wide range of investment tools, then Ally Invest is worth considering. In this review, I'll break down its key features, pros, and cons so you can decide if it's the right platform for you. Ally Invest is designed for both beginner and intermediate investors, offering commission-free trading on U.S. stocks and ETFs, low-cost options trading, and a wide range of investment choices including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and Forex. It also offers managed portfolios for those who prefer a more hands-off approach. A standout feature is its integration with Ally Bank, making it easy to manage your banking and investments in one place. The platform includes robust research tools, including charting, market data, and a customizable dashboard, making it easier for investors to analyze market trends and manage their portfolios. However, the platform isn't perfect. For active traders looking for advanced tools like direct market access or sophisticated charting, Ally Invest might feel limited. Additionally, the selection of mutual funds is somewhat basic compared to other platforms, and there's no support for fractional shares, which can be a drawback for investors looking to diversify with smaller investments. Another thing to note is that while the platform is user-friendly, the mobile app could use improvements in terms of speed and navigation. Ally Invest stands out for its zero-commission trading, seamless banking integration, and solid research tools, making it ideal for beginner to mid-level investors. However, if you're a professional trader or need fractional shares, there are other platforms better suited to your needs. For everyday investors who want a straightforward, low-cost experience, Ally Invest does the job well. Ultimately, it's a great option if you're looking for a reliable brokerage with competitive pricing, though it might not be the best fit for more advanced traders. That's the honest review of Ally Invest. Make sure to weigh these points before you decide.